We didn't get the strap pictures we wanted.
No, it's definitely a bit of a panic moment because your mind
Yeah.
immediately is going to be like, oh, I don't know this. But I think you have, I think, about 30 seconds from the time you pick it up to look through it and compose yourself. If you get a strap picture you don't want, it's not as if you've never seen it before in your life. You are definitely more familiarized with it than you think you are. And like things will come back to you that you might have even picked up from different ones or from different kind of aspects of the course. Like I know for me, the one that I got was Imre Goethe.
Oh, yeah.
So it was, I think
It's
there was
horrible.
another. Yeah, I didn't
Poor
love it
fella,
myself. I
yeah.
know loads of people really wanted that one, but it
I
never
don't
really
mind that
kind of
one,
stuck
yeah.
with me.
I got
There was a lot of
Nadegori
them that
Kroget.
involved. Oh, that one was. Did you get that?
The old
Yeah.
guy whose house floods and then he just cries about
Oh,
it. Yeah.
they find this guy. They don't do anything for him. Like they like
They
ring the fire brigade, but like they just sit there and watch. The
brave teenagers, is it?
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Yeah.
They don't do anything. And so I think the main thing honestly for them is like if you have some kind of understanding of what the plot is, and even if you can just string together basic sentences in your head, like if you have the keywords, if you have an understanding of like your tenses and your grammar, you're not being asked to give the most complex description of what's happening in the story. You're just being asked to tell it. And I think the main thing in the moment is just trying to compose yourself and say, okay, I just need to get through this.